Welcome everybody to Omnisend's marketing tip series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase sales. Now, this week is all about the one problem all e-commerce stores face. That's the abandoned shopping cart. While there are some tactical things you can do to help lower the initial abandonment, the fact remains people will abandon your shopping cart. Knowing this, recovering as many lost sales as possible is instrumental for growth. Email marketing plays a pivotal role here, not only because it works, but because it's less expensive than other paid retargeting channels, which means more money for you. Now, abandoned cart emails convert 483% better than scheduled promotional emails, and nearly 4 out of every 10 shoppers who click on an abandoned cart email go on to complete their purchase. So whether you do or don't already have them sending, I'm going to show you how to optimize them for maximum effectiveness. Just like with the welcome series, I want you to focus on their intent. At this stage of the journey, the customer knows what they want, but something is preventing them from making the purchase. It could be price. Maybe they're doing some price comparison on another site. They want to see if you offer them a discount after they abandon. I know we are all guilty of this at some point, me especially, and I probably shouldn't be. The cost and speed of shipping might matter to them. And maybe they're unsure about your return policies, or it could be a lack of trust. After all, maybe they've never done business with you before. Finally, it could be treating their cart like a wish list, and they're simply saving the item for later. No matter the reason, your job as a marketer is to overcome any possible objection that they may have and lead them to a purchase. And here's how to do just that. First, always promote your value adds in your messages, such as return policies, free shipping thresholds. This can overcome some of those possible objections. Second, consider using social proof. Make the customer feel absolutely sure about their purchase by including user-generated content, such as product star ratings or customer testimonials. If they have hesitations due to customer service or product quality, these can help overcome them. And third, convey a sense of urgency. Remind customers that products may not last long. Verbiage like, get them before they're gone, or it's not too late, that can actually have a big impact on conversion rate. By combining these elements with standard cart content like product name, image, price, you'll have messages that reinforce why people should shop with you. You'll build consumer confidence, engage their purchase emotions, and feed to their intent. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Marketing Tips series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove to you how we can help you double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing.